Okay, some bizarre thing. Hello guys, some bizarre thing. Half of my video got lost, so I'm just going to have to repeat it all. This is the first of 3 videos that are revision of polynomials from last year. Okay, what is a polynomial? Sounds a complicated thing. It's not. Okay. By the way, everything we're going to be working on these next 3 videos are from this worksheet that I will attach under the videos. Okay, so we're not going to use a textbook for the rest of this week. So a polynomial is basically an algebraic expression, a bunch of letters and numbers, where the x, if you can use s, you can use y, whatever you want, has different squares and cubes and powers of 5 and whatever. Okay, that's called a polynomial. Okay, and there's a bunch of definition, a bunch of things you need to know about a polynomial. So what I'm going to do from this worksheet, exercise 1, question 1. Okay, and the first question they ask is to find the coefficient of the first term. Okay, so first of all, what does it mean first term? Okay, this polynomial has 5 terms. That's the first one, that's the second one, the third one, fourth and fifth. Each one of these is a term. Okay, right? Minus 3x power 4 is a term. Minus 2x squared is a term. So the first term is minus 3x power 4. Okay? Now you've got 2 numbers here, 3 or minus 3 and a 4. The minus 3, the number before the x, is called the coefficient. Okay? So the coefficient in this case is minus 3. That's your coefficient. Oops, 2 f's, not 2 e. Coefficient. Okay? So that's the coefficient of the first term. Okay? Now then they're asking, what's the index? Index, I prefer the word exponent. In brackets they said exponent. What's the exponent of the fourth term? So let's see, what is the fourth term? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fourth term. Okay? So what's the exponent? The coefficient is minus 8. But the exponent is that little number on top of the x. But I don't see any number. It's just minus 8x. So what is the number? Correct, Chinko, okay, it's 1, right? That invisible 1. Okay? Even it doesn't say here 1, it's 1. Okay? So the exponent, the index is 1. That's the exponent. In other words, coefficient is the number that is in front of the number. Exponent is the number that sits on the x. Okay? Number before the x. Alright, moving on. Degree. They ask, they're asking us for the constant. What is a constant? Okay, not all polynomials have exponent constant. A constant is the number that doesn't have an x next to it. Okay, so you can see this minus 3 is next to an x, 5 is next to an x cube. Okay, so these are not constant. The constant is that, I call it sometimes the free number, the number that doesn't have an x next to it. Okay, that's the constant. Now, you're not always going to have a constant. Sometimes you might have a polynomial. Let's say 2x squared plus 3x. There's no constant. Okay? So you're not always going to have a constant. Okay? Right. Next thing, they're asking us for the degree. So what is a degree? What is the degree of this polynomial? The degree is basically the highest or the maximum exponent. Okay? Maximum exponents. Okay, so what's the maximum exponent? 1, 2, 3, 4 is the maximum one. Okay, so the degree in this case is 4. Okay, easy peasy. Moving on to the next thing, the last bit actually in this question. The terms are arranged in. What do they want us to say here? Something power of x. Okay, are they arranged in ascending, meaning going up, or descending, going down, right? Ascending meaning increasing, descending means decreasing. So you can see it's actually going in descending exponents, right? 4 is the highest one, then 3, 2, 1, and so on. So the answer is going to be in descending exponents. Okay? So I'm going to stop now. You're going to carry on to the second part.